Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the Musky speaker has power and the iPhone's Bluetooth is on. Put the speaker into pairing mode. Hold the pair button until the LED blinks rapidly. This tells the speaker to advertise itself. On your iPhone, stay on the Bluetooth screen. Do not switch apps yet, because the device list updates immediately. Once you see the Musky entry, don't tap anything else. You're ready for the actual pairing step in the next phase. Now you pair. Tap the Musky device name under Other Devices on the iPhone. If a PIN prompt appears, try 0000 or 1234. Enter it quickly, because some speakers time out. After pairing, wait for the status to change to connected. This confirms the Bluetooth profile is negotiated. Then open the control center or the app you'll use and confirm audio output is set to the Musky speaker. Adjust the speak. Finish by playing a test track and listening for clarity, balance, and volume consistency. This verifies the profiles like A2DP are working. Make sure auto reconnect happens by leaving Bluetooth enabled. The devices should rejoin automatically. If audio is choppy, make sure the speaker firmware is current and move away from Wi-Fi routers or microwaves that cause interference. If connection fails, forget the device on your iPhone, restart the phone. Then reset the Musky speaker. This usually clears pairing errors and restores normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.